Hello, today I'm going to be showing a follow-up video of my rocket video because I figured out how to show it better. So, like usual, you put the thing on, but instead of holding it like this, you hold it inside with the flaps up. Because that works a little better. Wait a minute. Well, it worked a little better a minute ago, so if it doesn't work, if you make one, it should be pretty good.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, that went pretty good. And it's not really supposed to go very straight.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
So I'm going to shoot one more time and then, close. There we go. Let me try something. So, put it down here. This time I'm going to hold it here. No, that didn't work much better. Okay, bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.